What is up, guys? Welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series where we pick cool Rustoleum colors. We shoot pearls, flakes, candies, a little bit of everything on top to create new interesting color combinations that you guys then get to turn around and vote for and tell me how you like them. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing that you ever seen, and you guys can rate it however you like it. These are just test spray outs. These are just for fun, guys, so don't take it too serious, but you might want to use one of these combinations on your next project. So I got a fender put behind me, so that can only mean one thing. We're going to be two-toning it today with Rustoleum colors. I've got gloss black and I've got meadow green, guys. It's kind of a John Deere-like green. I've used it a few times on this channel, but not many. And I had subscribers specifically want to see Kabuki Colorshift from Eye Candy Pigments. So I kind of bumped it up a little bit. And he wanted to see it over gloss black, so we're doing that today. So here's the game plan. We're going to two-tone this fender behind me with these two colors, and then we'll get into shooting some Kabuki Colorshift from Eye Candy Pigments. Let's get into today's episode. Alright guys, so we got our two Rustoleum colors laid down, so you know what time it is. Time for some pearl and clear. Today I'm using Finish 1 clear, 4-to-1 mix, 4 parts clear, 1 part hardener, and I did 5 ounces total in the mix. And now we've got Kabuki Colorshift by Eye Candy Pigments. Now like I said, this looks like a green to gold to like reptilian kind of look to it. I think it's going to be much like Monitor Lizard. I had a subscriber asking me about it, and he asked me what I thought it would do. I said, I think it's going to be really close to Monitor Lizard because, you know, it has that kind of mood ring type properties with the greens to golds. I really don't know, but that's a white particle. This is a solid particle. So there's only one way to find out, guys. And before that, I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see this mix. Alright guys, so this is Kabuki Colorshift in the mix before I get to stirring. And once I get to stirring, well, wow, I didn't expect that. Now I'm seeing greens, golds, honey colors, even some oranges at certain angles. Wow, this might be a little bit trippier than I thought. There's only one way to really truly know. Let's load up the V-Bore gun and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so I got my old V-Bore gun loaded up with some of this Kabuki Colorshift. I forgot to mention that was a 1 gram sample bag, guys. So if you wanted to do this full scale on a car, you probably need 50 grams. But this stuff is very affordable, so you can definitely look into it. But this is a 1.4 tip today. I shoot a 28 PSI wide open trigger. That's my settings if you want to replicate them. We're going to do a light coat first, make sure we don't get no reactions, and then 2 or 3 follow-up coats till we get the desired effect. And then the fun part, guys, we'll take it out in the sun and see what it looks like. I'm going to get my mask on. Let's get the spraying. Alright guys, so Kabuki Colorshift over gloss black and meadow green. Man, if you wanted lemon lime green like off the new Camaros, that is a dead ringer for it, boy. That is definitely like a candy, like, I don't even know, like Jolly Rancher green. There you go. And then over this, man, over the black, you just got like that pagan gold look, but you do have like a blue flop to it, guys, at hard angles. I don't know if you can see that. That is pretty wild. So this is definitely an interesting one today. Don't know how I feel about it, but ultimately it ain't up to me. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so this is the spray out for today. A really cool Kabuki Colorshift for my candy pigments over top of gloss black and meadow green. Man, the meadow green was a surprise, guys. It really looks very reminiscent of the new Camaro colors. That really pretty, like, I don't even know what it's called. It's just a neon candy looking green color that everybody seems to really like. And then over gloss black, well, it showed its true colors, and that was gold to blue, guys. It flops at different angles, and it's got that dark, rich gold over top of the black, which really, really looks cool in my book. But ultimately, guys, it ain't up to me. It's up to you guys. Rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing you've ever seen. And if you decide to spray with Kabuki Colorshift on your next project, I'm an affiliate with iCandy, so I can get you guys a discount. Links will be in the description. And you just click my links at checkout, enter WAW shop while shop. You'll get a discount, and it'll go to help out the channel. If you like this Finish One clear coat, the paint gun, the mask, anything else I use on this channel, links to that are also in the description. Just click As Seen on YouTube. It'll take you to my Amazon store where I put everything I use on the channel there. You can get it for the same price as me. We get a small kickback, but it don't cost you guys anything extra. You get all the benefits of Amazon Prime, and it's just a great way to support and help out the channel. Now, I know I've had a lot of subscribers, a lot of people leave comments on the video, so I feel the need to address it about the finish on some of these spray outs, asking, is it the clear, is it the Rustoleum, is it... Guys, I've done over 100 plus spray outs on this channel. I've got 3 or 4 fenders that I rotate, you know, around to keep these episodes going. Sometimes I prep them perfectly, sometimes I don't. Like I said, if I was to spend the time to prep every single spray out beforehand perfectly, then you guys would not have episodes nearly as quick as you do. And, you know, it just, it's test spray outs, guys. I mean, if you want me to make them perfect, I can. It just takes more time. But I just wanted to address that, you know, because I see it a lot in the comments. And this is all for fun, guys. This is to showcase different color combinations you might not have seen before that you might could use on your next ride. Some of you guys might be worse painters than me. Some of you guys might be better painters than me. I don't know. And that's fine either way, you know. And if you want to make it perfect, you can make it perfect. I'm just showing you the tools you need to do it. So anyways, guys, that's as much as I'm going to say on that. And like I said, if you make this far in the video, you like what I'm doing with all these crazy spray outs, please hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell notification so you don't miss an episode. Drop me a like before you click off and watch something else. And drop me a comment. Let me know what you thought of this. And what's your favorite spray out we've done so far. We've done over 100 plus spray outs. What's your favorite color combination? And if you haven't seen one so far, then feel free to drop it in the comments. Actually, this was a subscriber request. He wanted to see Kabuki, and I had it in the stack, but I kind of bumped it up so that he could see it sooner. And subscriber, you were asking for it. What do you think of it? That's going to be it for me today, guys. I appreciate you for always joining me and watching and having fun with me on these crazy cool spray outs. But I'm John from WHITLEY Auto Works. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.